Getting started with Timiro is quick and easy. Open the Google Play Store on your Android device, search for Timiro, and tap Install. In just a few seconds, you'll have Ethiopia's most advanced AI-powered study tutor ready on your phone. Open the app, and it's time to create your profile. Simply enter your name, select your profile picture, and choose your academic stream. This allows Timiro's data engine to customize all lessons and mock tests specifically to your syllabus. Once your profile is created, you'll be taken to the activation screen. At the bottom of the screen, you will see 3 clear options to get started. I have a code, continue free, and get a code on the website. If your school, tutor, or parent provided you with an activation code, tap I have a code and enter the character token to instantly unlock your premium EUAE study package. If you want to try the app first, tap Continue Free to begin your trial. And if you need to buy a license pack, select Get a Code on the website to be guided to our official portal at DiracInnovations.com. Your 4th step is to take the baseline diagnostic test. This timed mock exam maps your exact strengths and weaknesses across the curriculum. Once completed, your personalized roadmap is unlocked. You can study using Quest mode, which gives you 6 bite-sized micro-missions for you to complete, or Explore mode, which lets you study the syllabus at your own pace. That's it! You are now ready to study with the power of cognitive science. Search Timiro on the Google Play Store today, activate your profile, and start mastering your EUAE Matric. Good luck on your journey to academic excellence.